Mom, are there animals in the forest? Mom, are there animals in the forest?
Yes, there are many different kinds. Yes, there are many different kinds.
Then why haven't we seen any? Then why haven't we seen any?
They are probably hiding. They are probably hiding.
Why are they hiding? Why are they hiding?
Animals are afraid of people. Animals are afraid of people.
Maybe if we hold still, they will come out. Maybe if we hold still, they will come out.
Why is that? Why is that?
They will think we are trees. They will think we are trees.
I think they will know we're not trees. I think they will know we're not trees.
Can we try it and see? Can we try it and see?
No, dear, let's keep walking. No, dear, let's keep walking. I won't be in town this weekend. I won't be in town this weekend.
Neither will I. Neither will I.
I'm going on a camping trip. What are you doing? I'm going on a camping trip. What are you doing?
I will be visiting my grandma. I will be visiting my grandma.
I think camping will be more fun. I think camping will be more fun.
Why don't you take me with you? Why don't you take me with you?
I don't think your parents will allow it. I don't think your parents will allow it.
You are probably right. I want to go. You are probably right. I want to go.
I'll bring you back a souvenir. I'll bring you back a souvenir.
I don't want it. I want to go too. I don't want it. I want to go too.
You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want.
I hope you get eaten by a bear. I hope you get eaten by a bear.
I would like to have a garden. I would like to have a garden.
Planting a garden is a lot of work. Planting a garden is a lot of work.
But then you grow beautiful flowers. But then you grow beautiful flowers.
Plastic flowers don't die, and they are also beautiful. Plastic flowers don't die, and they are also beautiful.
Plastic flowers don't have a scent. Plastic flowers don't have a scent.
You can spray them with perfume. You can spray them with perfume.
Perfume doesn't really smell like flowers. Perfume doesn't really smell like flowers.
It does if you buy the right kind. It does if you buy the right kind.
It is expensive to buy perfume and plastic flowers. It is expensive to buy perfume and plastic flowers.
I suppose you are right. I suppose you are right.
Will you help me plant my garden? Will you help me plant my garden?
I don't think I have any other choice. I don't think I have any other choice. Why are you spraying pesticides? Why are you spraying pesticides?
To kill the insects in the garden. To kill the insects in the garden.
Not all insects are bad. Not all insects are bad.
They are ruining my vegetables. They are ruining my vegetables.
You should buy the right kind of poison. You should buy the right kind of poison.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Some poisons kill bees. Some poisons kill bees.
That's all right. Bees sting people. That's all right. Bees sting people.
Without bees, your garden will not have fruit. Without bees, your garden will not have fruit.
Why is that? Why is that?
Bees pollinate the flowers so fruit can grow. Bees pollinate the flowers so fruit can grow.
Help me pick out a pesticide that is safe for bees. Help me pick out a pesticide that is safe for bees. Have you ever heard of poison ivy? Have you ever heard of poison ivy?
Isn't that a supervillain? Isn't that a supervillain?
I wouldn't know. Tell me more. I wouldn't know. Tell me more.
I once read about poison ivy in a comic book. I once read about poison ivy in a comic book.
Oh no, that's not what I'm talking about. Oh no, that's not what I'm talking about.
Then what did you mean? Then what did you mean?
I was talking about the plant. I was talking about the plant.
Is it the one that makes you itch? Is it the one that makes you itch?
Yes, I fell into a patch of it. Yes, I fell into a patch of it.
Did you wash it off? Did you wash it off?
Yes, but it still itches. Yes, but it still itches.
The poison ivy I think of is better than the poison ivy. The poison ivy I think of is better than the poison ivy. I want to take off my shirt. I want to take off my shirt.
Why would you want to do that? Why would you want to do that?
My shoulders hurt from yesterday. My shoulders hurt from yesterday.
What happened yesterday? What happened yesterday?
I went to the beach. I went to the beach.
Are you sore from swimming? Are you sore from swimming?
No, I didn't go swimming. No, I didn't go swimming.
Then what happened? Then what happened?
I fell asleep without a shirt on. I fell asleep without a shirt on.
Then you must have bad sunburn. Then you must have bad sunburn.
I do. My shirt makes it worse. I do. My shirt makes it worse.
It's too bad we're in school. It's too bad we're in school. Aren't waterfalls beautiful? Aren't waterfalls beautiful?
I think they're terrifying. I think they're terrifying.
Why do they scare you? Why do they scare you?
People fall off them all the time. People fall off them all the time.
Do they live? Do they live?
Of course not. Of course not.
As long as you don't swim in them, you're safe. As long as you don't swim in them, you're safe.
They are still dangerous. They are still dangerous.
People are the ones who make the danger. People are the ones who make the danger.
I suppose you're right. I suppose you're right.
Do you still think they're terrifying? Do you still think they're terrifying?
A little, but they're beautiful too. A little, but they're beautiful too. The forecast said it would rain tomorrow. The forecast said it would rain tomorrow.
Why do you sound so excited? Why do you sound so excited?
We have a big PE test tomorrow. We have a big PE test tomorrow.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
We have to run 10 kilometers. We have to run 10 kilometers.
I think that is next week. I think that is next week.
Then what are we doing tomorrow? Then what are we doing tomorrow?
I think we will be playing street hockey. I think we will be playing street hockey.
Hockey is my favorite sport. Hockey is my favorite sport.
Too bad it may rain. Too bad it may rain.
I hope it doesn't rain after all. I hope it doesn't rain after all.
You've changed your mind very quickly. You've changed your mind very quickly.
That cloud looks like a horse. That cloud looks like a horse.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a cloud. No, it doesn't. It looks like a cloud.
You're supposed to use your imagination. You're supposed to use your imagination.
It still looks like a cloud. It still looks like a cloud.
Try to see another shape in it. Try to see another shape in it.
All right, let's look at a different cloud. All right, let's look at a different cloud.
I think that one looks like a hippo. I think that one looks like a hippo.
I don't see a hippo. I don't see a hippo.
What do you see then? What do you see then?
I see a cloud. I see a cloud.
I told you to use your imagination. I told you to use your imagination.
In that case, I see a cotton ball. In that case, I see a cotton ball. Does it snow in your hometown? Does it snow in your hometown?
Sometimes, when it's very cold. Sometimes, when it's very cold.
I've never seen snow. What is it like? I've never seen snow. What is it like?
Sometimes it's white, fluffy, and looks like clouds. Sometimes it's white, fluffy, and looks like clouds.
That sounds so romantic. That sounds so romantic.
Other times, it is wet and slushy. Other times, it is wet and slushy.
Can you use it to make snowballs? Can you use it to make snowballs?
Only the fluffy snow. Only the fluffy snow.
Why not the slushy snow? Why not the slushy snow?
Those snowballs would hurt. Those snowballs would hurt.
I thought that all snowballs hurt. I thought that all snowballs hurt.
No, if you use freshly fallen snow. No, if you use freshly fallen snow. Which is the lightning and which is the thunder? Which is the lightning and which is the thunder?
Lightning lights up the sky. Lightning lights up the sky.
What about the thunder? What about the thunder?
Thunder makes the big booming noise. Thunder makes the big booming noise.
I thought they both made noise. I thought they both made noise.
No, only thunder makes noise. No, only thunder makes noise.
Can people be hit by thunder? Can people be hit by thunder?
No, people can only be hit by lightning. No, people can only be hit by lightning.
Do you think they get magical powers? Do you think they get magical powers?
That is impossible. That is impossible.
Such things happen in movies all the time. Such things happen in movies all the time.
You watch too much television. You watch too much television. Put the rock back where you found it. Put the rock back where you found it.
But I like the rock, Mommy. But I like the rock, Mommy.
So do the animals that live here. So do the animals that live here.
The animals have many rocks. I just want one. The animals have many rocks. I just want one.
But animals need the rocks, and you don't. But animals need the rocks, and you don't.
What do they need them for? What do they need them for?
Some animals make their homes with rocks. Some animals make their homes with rocks.
Very small animals? Very small animals?
Yes, you might be taking someone's ceiling. Yes, you might be taking someone's ceiling.
I don't want to ruin their homes. I don't want to ruin their homes.
Good. Please put it back. Good. Please put it back.
I'll go leave it where I found it. I'll go leave it where I found it. I think I stepped on a snail. I think I stepped on a snail.
Did you feel something crunch under your shoes? Did you feel something crunch under your shoes?
Yes, it feels disgusting. Yes, it feels disgusting.
Clean your shoes on the grass. Clean your shoes on the grass.
There are snails everywhere. There are snails everywhere.
They like to eat the plants here. They like to eat the plants here.
Do they make holes in the leaves? Do they make holes in the leaves?
Yes, they make a lot of holes in the leaves. Yes, they make a lot of holes in the leaves.
If they were faster, maybe they could hunt for food. If they were faster, maybe they could hunt for food.
What could they hunt? They have no teeth. What could they hunt? They have no teeth.
Neither does my grandma. Neither does my grandma.
Your grandma is not a snail. Your grandma is not a snail. What was that sound? What was that sound?
What sound? What sound?
It sounded like a whistle. It sounded like a whistle.
I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything.
The sound came from you. The sound came from you.
I admitted I made the sound. I admitted I made the sound.
How did you do that? How did you do that?
I made a whistle with a blade of grass. I made a whistle with a blade of grass.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it.
Why do you want to learn? Why do you want to learn?
I want to surprise my sister when I get home. I want to surprise my sister when I get home.
You're a mean older sister. You're a mean older sister.
I wish I were a bird. I wish I were a bird.
I think being a cat would be better. I think being a cat would be better.
But birds can fly. But birds can fly.
Well, cats can climb. Well, cats can climb.
Birds fly higher than any cats can climb. Birds fly higher than any cats can climb.
And yet, cats eat birds all the time. And yet, cats eat birds all the time.
That's only when the bird is sleeping. That's only when the bird is sleeping.
You just don't want to admit cats are better. You just don't want to admit cats are better.
I know why you want to be a cat. I know why you want to be a cat.
Why do I want to be a cat? Why do I want to be a cat?
Cats sleep all day, and so do you. Cats sleep all day, and so do you.
At least cats can sleep without being eaten. At least cats can sleep without being eaten. Do you think wolves are like dogs? Do you think wolves are like dogs?
No way. Wolves are vicious. No way. Wolves are vicious.
A man on TV lived with wolves for many years. A man on TV lived with wolves for many years.
Didn't they eat him? Didn't they eat him?
No, he is still alive and he loves wolves. No, he is still alive and he loves wolves.
That is so amazing. That is so amazing.
Maybe people have the wrong idea about them. Maybe people have the wrong idea about them.
Probably. They're always bad in children's books. Probably. They're always bad in children's books.
I've never heard of a wolf eating a person in the real life. I've never heard of a wolf eating a person in the real life.
Neither have I. Neither have I.
I think I like wolves. I think I like wolves.
I still don't think they're like dogs, though. I still don't think they're like dogs, though.